compare the volt ampere ratings of two winding transformer and auto transformer. Let us take a auto transformer. This auto transformer is made from the two winding transformer. This one winding of two winding transformer, this is another winding of two winding transformer. By connecting these two windings in series, we get an auto transformer. Let us consider like this only. For volt ampere means voltage into current only. Let us consider volt ampere rating of two winding. This is the two winding transformer. TW means two winding transformer. I am considering like that. Two winding transformer, for the volt ampere rating of two winding transformer, that means voltage applied to two winding transformer. This is the one winding, this is the another winding. You can write, if you want to get the voltage applied to this winding, will be equal to VH minus VL. That is VH minus VL will result into voltage of this winding, that is AB winding. VH minus VL into current flowing through this winding may be equal to IH or IAB. I will take as IH. This must be equal to volt ampere of another winding, that is voltage applied to BC winding is equal to VL. The current flowing through the BC will be equal to I. This is the volt ampere of two winding transformer. Volt ampere of auto transformer will be equal to input voltage to auto transformer is VH, that is VH into current flowing is IH only. IH must be equal to secondary terminal voltage VL into current through the load, that is IL. In the two winding transformer, we should take the current and voltage of two windings. In the auto transformer, it is auto transformer, we should take supply voltage and the supply current and load voltage and load current. That's why like this. To compare the volt ampere ratings, I will take volt ampere of two winding divided by volt ampere rating of auto transformer. If we take this, I will take this equation and the IH equation and IH equation. We can take this. We can compare these two also. I will compare these two equations. VH minus VL into IH divided by VH into IH. If you write this, VH into IH minus VL into IH divided by VH into IH, this and this will get cancelled, then it will become 1 minus VL divided by VH, as K auto is equal to V low voltage divided by high voltage. And this we can write 1 minus K auto, that is volt ampere of auto transformer is equal to volt ampere of two winding transformer divided by 1 minus K auto, as the K auto is always less than 1 and 1 minus less than 1 will be equal to less than 1 only. If you take something A divided by less than 1 is greater than this will result into greater than A only. So we can get that volt ampere of auto transformer is greater than the volt ampere of two winding transformer. This is the result we got.